Another fine vehicle offered by Jim Keim Ford.
This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape, a great blend of utility, comfort, and style. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, privacy glass, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Jim Keim Ford is located at 5575 Keim Circle in Columbus. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.